The paintbrush and the pencil tool are fairly simple, straightforward tools. If you notice, you click on the paintbrush, you can click and you can just paint. Whatever the stroke color is will be applied to your brush. The pencil tool also is fairly simple. You can click and you can draw. Now you can use the direct selection tool to change the path that you have drawn using either the pencil or the brush. Now something that you may not realize though, if you have a shape, let's say that we have this shape here, and we want to paint just inside of this shape. I'm going to choose a new color. In fact, let's go ahead and choose a red so we can see it easier. Let's say I want to paint just inside of this box. If I grab my paintbrush and I just paint right over the top of it, it paints right over the top of it, and that doesn't really help. So I'm going to undo that, Control Z. I'm going to select my box, and then I'm going to come down here where I can change the drawing mode. And I'm going to change it. Right now it's draw normal. I can press Shift D, or I can simply click to draw behind or draw inside. Because I have an object selected, I'm going to click on draw inside, click on my brush, choose the color I want. Again, I'm going to choose red. This time I'm going to paint. Notice how it goes outside of the box, but when I let go, it is only painted inside the box. If I hover my mouse over the line, the path is actually still there that I've painted. What is happening though is the object is clipping out everything but what is right there. So you can draw inside of an object by changing the drawing mode. Let's say that instead of drawing inside, I wanted to draw behind. I wanted another color going the other way, but I wanted it behind this object. I can go ahead and do that. In fact, let me add a fill color to this object. So we have the fill color to this object. I want to draw behind it. I'm going to go ahead and grab the brush again. This time I'm going to switch to my draw behind mode. Change my color so we can see it. Let me click off the box so I don't change that color. And now I'm going to draw behind, which I didn't change the color. Let me do that real quick. Undo. Switch my color to the stroke. Draw behind. And you can see that draws behind the object. And so though the pencil tool and the brush are fairly easy to use, remember you can use the different drawing modes to change how you're drawing inside your object. The object still has all its properties, it's just changing how it is displayed.